Hello, thanks for your interest in the hose roller. A couple things that I probably need to tell you on some assembly. The main part of it will be all assembled just like you see it. To ease in shipping and to lower the freight cost because of the size, we remove the handle. So the handle comes like this. This is the prototype handle. We're working on changing it. So any input you would have, especially on this, is helpful. Do you like the cushy grip? Would you prefer to see one that's made out of metal in this shape? Is it big enough? Is it too big? Is it binding? Anything like that? So we have a couple iterations of this. This is the last prototype we had, and we already know that we're going to extend the tube out a little further. So we already know we're going to do that. But any insight you can have, especially to the handle. But when you get it, just unwrap your handle. The first lock nut has been tightened on and put with red Loctite, so it shouldn't move. So it just gives enough play so the handle spins freely. It has a copper lined bushing inside of it, so it should last for years. All you have to do is take it. All you need is 2 3/4 inch wrenches, and I'll throw the nut in there too. But what you want to do is on this side here, the handle part is threaded also. So just thread it in. Nothing goes fast when you're filming, by the way. So once it's on there, just take it, one of your 3/4 inch wrenches, and snug it up. That's all you want is snug. So, and then you have the lock nut that goes behind it. So just put it on. Use a wrench to hold the back. Use another wrench to tighten it. And that's all there is to it. So your handle's installed. And that's all there is to it. You just start rolling. The first setting is for 1.5 inch and 3/4 hose, 2.5 and 3 inch. We haven't tested on 100-foot rolls, so I don't think it'll fit in here. So we haven't tried it. We use 50-foot around here, so that's what it was designed around, is what we use. The reason this tube is left open here is we're designing a hose washer that goes with it. So it'll plug in here. You'll plug in, a Wildland hose or something like this, a small hose, and it'll mount out here. So you'll be able to roll the hose and wash it at the same time. Most of the new hose, you don't even have to worry about the mildew like you did with the old hose. So the old cotton jacket hose, the new, well, I reckon it's polyester. So we use Mercedes brand hose. We really like it, and we had no issues with that. But since you're the last one to get a prototype, I really, really want all your feedback you can give me. Do you like the clip at the bottom? Do you think it's necessary? Would it be better if we put a ball in the end of it where it just snaps in and snaps out, or do you think that'd be a wear item? If you don't use this, let me know. The main reason I put it on here is so we don't lose this pin. Like I said, this is probably the 10th one that's been out for testing, and everybody loses this pin. So this is what we came up with that. I'm not keen on it. I just don't like wires hanging around, but nobody's lost a pin since then. So let me see, what else? Just anything you can think of. Like I said, this is the last painted model. I love the way it shines and all that, but I don't know if it's as durable. Plus, the fire hose is abrasive as hell anyway. So, I don't even know if the powder coated one will hold up any better. But we also waited so long to get this one designed because it was made to go into a truck bed, into a receiver hitch. You can lower the tailgate, and on every truck that I've tested, the tailgate won't hit this bar here. So you roll it up, stick it in the truck. Because, at the end of a fire, the last thing you want to do is put up hose. Hate it. So that's the reason this was designed. I've been a firefighter for 30 years, and I should have invented this should have started building them 25 years ago when I was young, because it sucks rolling up hose now when you're my age. But anyway, enough about me. I thank you for, all your insight. Thanks for reaching out to me. We'll take every breath that you say to improve this product to heart. Like my goal is to keep the price as low as I can. I'm not in this to make a killing. I'm in this to save firefighters' backs. So if we cannot get hurt, that's the goal. So anyway, it's shipped out. It'll be shipped out to you today. So thanks. Tell all your buddies too. See ya.